Hello guys, this is Dio, and what I have here is a Mul-T-Lock MT5 Plus, which has a row of 5 pins with outer and inner part, a small interactive element at the end of the key, as you can see here, and a row of 5 springless sliders. So counting everything there, we have 5 multiplied by 2, 10, 11 plus 5, 16. We have 16 elements we have to pick in this lock. Alright, so it's going to be quite a challenge. Let's put it in the vise and let's start picking. Okay, so first I'm gonna push all the sliders to the right. It's gonna make them easier to pick. Alright, so tensioner on and we can start picking. So first I'm gonna go for the alpha spring, which is located at in the middle here, the back, middle of the keyway. It's a bit hard to reach, it's very small. There we go, click. Now on that particular lock, oops, well, the sidebar binds first after the alpha spring, so I'm gonna go for that. Heavy tension, and I'm gonna use this short SSD hook and push the sliders to the side. Of course, to the wiggle test. Alright, one is good. A jiggle test to see if the sliders are correctly set or not. That's alright, 2 is good. 3, 2 is good now. 4. 5. 3. Okay, so just let's check. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is good, 5 is good. Okay, so now I can start picking the outer pins and being very careful not to touch the inner pins. 1, 4, back to 1, 2, just gonna check the alpha spring, sometime it can drop back. Okay, the alpha spring is good. Outer pins. Go about set some stuff. Good. I'm just gonna check the sidebar just in case. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I think we'll just hang up on some outer pins still. Mines are very high cut, so sometimes it's difficult them. There we go. False set. That means we just need to pick the outer pins, inner pins, sorry. So we are almost there. So now there isn't any risk of fucking up because you cannot overset anything at this point. Set bar is completely set. So yeah, just poke around, try to find the binding inner pin, and there we go. MT5 plus picked. I'm just gonna do a full 360 for good measures. Let's go that hung up there. So we need to there we go. Okay, that's perfect. Just quick. Okay, so now let's get the beast. Focus. All right. Key first. Let's remove that. So yeah, very fun lock to pick. So there's lots of stuff going on. Come on, there you go. Springs here, and I completely forgot about that. There we go. And something went wrong. Okay. Oh, whatever. Yeah. Sometimes shit happens. Good. Oh shit. Okay. All right. So this is a sidebar with the sidebar spring. Right. Now, two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's the sliders, of course. Right, so this is perfect. Now pitch. Okay, this is a real disaster gutting. There you go. So there you go. The thing is gutted. So here there is a groove in which the sidebar fits when the lock is on his locked position. Sidebar, which just snap on those false gates here, if you can see them. They have a little bit more light, would be cool. There you go. So the sniper will snatch on those false gates here and into the true gate. What else? Yeah, pin number 3 here is standard. That's because I don't know what happened with this core, but so those are construction holes. So usually, normally there should be a donut-shaped wafer that fits in those holes. In my case, I don't have those. So when I received this lock, there was a standard pin here in position 3, so that the lock could operate normally. Because if there was one of those usual pin-in-pin drivers, if you want to just turn the lock, it will just fall into the hole and lock the car. That's why. So now, as you can see on the core, there are a little bit of countermilling here, which catches with come here. Catches with the serration at the tip of the. I wonder if I cannot focus that better. Yeah, that catches with the serration here, at the tip of the pin-in-pin. But it's not very effective because once you pick the inner pins, you are at no risk of oversetting anything. So just not very useful. So there you go, MT5 Plus picked. Thank you and see you next time.